In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get a fighter jet in GTA 5. First thing you want to do is go to this location. This is where you should go, and if you don't know where this is basically located on this part of the map. So go exactly to this location and you will find a military base here. So you want to basically just drive through the military base. You will get like 4 stars, so you have to do it very quickly. So as you can see here, I'm just gonna drive through and I'm gonna try to go inside the military base here. Once you get inside, you will be able to find like fighter jets, like over here for example. You will find one over here as well. Usually it spawns here, and usually there's also fighter jets in each of these hangars, so it might take time to load, but there's already one over here. So as you can see, there's one here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just try to steal this one. As you can see, now I have this fighter jet, so let's run away with it very quickly. And there you go, now you have a fighter jet. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.